Kremlin has confirmed that Iran's nuclear program will be a topic in future discussions between Russia and the United States. The subject was touched upon in an initial round of talks last month but was not explored in detail, according to Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov. This development follows a Bloomberg report stating that Russia has agreed to assist the Trump administration in engaging with Iran on multiple issues, including its nuclear program and its support for regional groups opposed to the US. However, Moscow has not confirmed this claim. Peskov emphasized that Russia firmly believes Iran's nuclear issue should be resolved through peaceful, political, and diplomatic means. He also highlighted Iran as an ally and strategic partner with whom Russia maintains comprehensive and mutually respectful relations. Russia is ready to do everything possible for this, he said, adding that the United States is aware of Moscow's stance. Last month, President Trump reinstated his maximum pressure campaign on Iran, aimed at cutting Tehran's oil exports to zero to prevent it from acquiring a nuclear weapon. Iran denies seeking nuclear arms. Russia, meanwhile, has strengthened ties with Iran, particularly since the start of the Ukraine war. In January, the two countries signed a strategic cooperation treaty, deepening their alliance further. Peskov confirmed that the issue of Iran was raised in US Russia talks in Saudi Arabia last month. However, he reiterated that it was only briefly discussed and not in detail. When pressed about Bloomberg's report, he simply repeated that Iran was on the agenda but without substantive discussion. However, Iranian government spokesperson Fatema Mohajerani reiterated on Tuesday that Iran would not take part in nuclear talks with the United States under pressure or threats. Her comments came during a weekly press conference held in the capital, Tehran. Iran said on February 25th that it would not succumb to pressure following a fresh round of sanctions imposed by the United States, targeting Iran's oil industry and the Islamic Republic's main source of income. With Iran's nuclear program now officially on the table for future Russia US negotiations, the world will be watching how Moscow positions itself between Washington and Tehran. Stay tuned for more details.